Hello, my name is Raghavan. I'm working with Honda Power Products for the past 15 years, and Honda Power Products is existing for the past 25 years in India. We have our mother plant in Rudrapur, which was discontinued because of some issues, and we have consolidated all our operations at Greater Noida, wherein we are employing about 1,000 associates along with about 200 managerial staff. Honda Power Products is in the business of manufacturing generators, water pumps and engines. Now generators, as you know, is the source of electricity generation. Water pumps is for the rural sector where water cannot reach and can be pumped to that. And engines, multi-purpose engines can be used for any need as required by the user. Now Honda has a very strong commitment towards socio-economic liabilities of a country where they start an operation. They are all spread all over the world, in China, in America, in India, in Japan, in Thailand, and their commitment towards safety is first. Now, in the past 25 years, socially, what they have done is, no doubt they have generated jobs for us, which has benefited us in a big way by improving our quality of life, education for our children, and time and again taking care of the environment. We have many training courses going on in Honda where we educated all our associates about safety, environment and culture. Now, what happens in Honda is that we call it PDCA, plan, do, check and act. This is part and parcel of every life of an associate or a manager. Plan, do, check and act is the inspiration towards every activity we conduct. So socially we have done many medical camps, and we go to villages and educated people about our products, and our commitment socially is very strong and can be seen in the life of the people working. Technology of generators or manufacturing technology has been availed from Japan, and we have Japanese members also present here who guide us time and again. But as seen, India has the best workers. Associates are so dedicated that once told, they do what is required. So basic technology comes from there, and processes are established here by our Indian colleagues, and associates see that they go through every process in detail so that the product coming out is the best and comparable to any product made anywhere, be it America, Japan or Thailand, anywhere. Now we have introduced the latest generators in the market called EU65IS and EU30IS. These are called inverter generators, and they are the leading products of Honda, being imported from Japan but now made in India and exported, which is a great achievement as of date. So though we agree that Japan is giving the technology, but India is never behind in absorbing that technology and implementing it. Indians are very good workers and know how to make things. Only the guidance given by the Japanese is helping us, but ultimately it is the Indian associate who is making the product and seeing that Honda in India is number one. Economically, Honda is making its contribution to the state government in its own way, which can be seen in detail on the website of Honda Power Products. But basic commitment of Honda towards the employee economically and the stakeholders. Stakeholders are those who have invested money in our organization. So our responsibility is that they should be proud of that stake which they are holding, and we make sure that we pay our dividends in time and they are happy. Now, as far as the employee goes, we make it a point that every 7th they are paid without fail. Each employee gets his salary on time and increments are given on time. That is as far as the employee is concerned. Economically for the country, what Honda is doing is a lot, because every transfer of technology is bringing in money for the country, generating jobs, giving opportunities, building a vendor base. Vendor base is very strong. We have a 250 vendor base who are depending on us. That means in turn, though we are 400 or 500 crores turnover company, if you count the vendor turnover, we are totally around 1200 crores. So we are generating jobs worth 1200 crores for our friends in India, and Honda ultimately is contributing in a big way to India socially and economically. But ultimately it is the Indian who is making the product. So we are the people who are benefiting from it. So MNCs in India are required to guide us, that's all. Otherwise, we are the best manufacturers. Thank you so much for hearing me out.